What's good, YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna be seeing how much money can we make on Instacart, and we're gonna be showing you guys if Instacart is even worth it. Before we get into this video, y'all go ahead and subscribe and like this video.
Ain't about me average. I just pick up the phone, keep counting and adding, keep counting and stacking.
If you don't know what Instacart is, it's an app that connects you, the shopper, with the customer in need of groceries. All you have to do is sign up with the link in the description, and you can start shopping and delivering for Instacart today.
So we just accepted our first batch for the night. It's paying $48 for 40 items, and the customer is only 12 miles away from the store. So let's go shop.
So the best time to shop on Instacart in our area is at the 5 p.m. So today should be easy. I know we're gonna make a lot. Comment down below what's the best time to shop in your area.
Okay, you knocking them down.
Yeah, I know. You ain't gotta worry about me.
I know my hands actually.
All right.
You got the burger?
I got it. Let's get to it.
You got a burger?
Nope.
Okay. 17 more items to make. We're 24 minutes in.
24 minutes in? Well, we got an hour. Okay, we're gonna try to finish this in 35 minutes. 10 more minutes in here.
10 more minutes.
10 more minutes.
I'll crunch.
All right, I got all my stuff. Let's see if she's done. Oh, there you go. I got all my stuff. Are you done? Are you done? See, I knew she wasn't done. You can't find your stuff? Let me help you.
Please.
Let's get it. Come on, what we got? All 36 minutes. Damn. Well, all right, we'll try to get it done in 45 minutes. It's an hour. We got an hour and 3-minute timer though, so we'll definitely get it done before then.
Oh, I found the bread. I found it. I walked past this. Dang, man. How did I all of a sudden find it?
Yeah, now you want to start finding stuff. Alright. Yeah. Y'all, I'm carrying us right now.
I didn't see it. I like to think that I'm decent because I check the eggs. I care a little.
This is our second time going back to the eggs. That one's cracked.
Where?
That one's cracked. Come on now. You talking, but you're not really looking at it.
I like to think that I care when I'm picking eggs.
All right, pass me.
I'm decent.
And like that, we're done.
Yep, hold on,
How long did it take us?
let's get it.
Okay, 53 minutes. All right, let's get out of here now.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a cold, cold night. It is very cold. Oh, it's so cold. Ooh. Let's get this stuff in here quick. She said she can't breathe. That's how cold it is. Damn. Ooh. All right. Put that on there. Oh, we park right beside this. It's freezing cold. We still got to get this money though.
It hurts to be outside.
We still got to get this money.
Oh God.
I tell y'all, after 5 p.m. it be bussing. It was just 8 on there. Didn't you say you seen 15 earlier? Y'all see I'm not accepting none of these. I'm looking for the right one. So Instacart is starting to slow down for the night, so I turned on my Spark app and there's a bunch of orders and they're all literally paying over $30. So we just accepted an order for $30. It's only 7 items. We're gonna go pick that up right now. I am not kidding y'all. There's literally 78 orders, 71 offers, 94. We just got to Walmart. Let's get it. We late night getting to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and say Spark is definitely better than Instacart. because there's way more orders on there and it's paying a lot more.
Yeah, the pay is a lot more. $30 for 11 versus the 48 for 40 that we did.
Like,
it's gonna be quicker.
That's a no-brainer. And there's like 100 orders on there. Y'all seen that? There goes the bread. Oh, y'all, this is so easy. Oh, this is so easy. That was too easy. Alright, we just dropped off that Spark order. We just accepted the Instacart. It's paying $11 for 14 items. Let's go get that done real quick. Alright, just arrived. Let's make this quick.
Yeah, it's chipper out here.
Very chipper. Y'all, let me tell you what she just did. She left the Instacart card at the house. So we didn't get to do the second order. We had to just cancel it. We just accepted another order. It's from Food Line. It's $10 for only 4 items. Let's get it done.
Yeah, he just recovered my mistake. I didn't even have my card. And we just went and shopped and did all of that. But put us back in the game.
Yeah. This is gonna be our last order because it's getting late. Only 4 items, y'all.
Guess what, y'all? We just snagged $13 for 2 items while we was in the store, and it's in this exact same store, so stacking them up.
Yeah, and this one is only 4 items, so let's get it. She run into the car. We were able to come back, grab the card. Now we about to go back to the store and grab that second order, and that's gonna end us off for the night. We're about to drop off our last 2 deliveries for the night. It was a cold, cold night.
Yeah, we made it.
All right, let's get it done.
So we're gonna end the video here. We did both some Spark delivery orders and Instacart orders. We personally thought that Spark was better than Instacart because it was quicker, it had a higher pay, and there was more opportunity to shop. But in total, we made $100 or a little bit over that shopping and delivering groceries tonight. Let us know down below in the comments which one y'all think was better, Instacart or Spark. And don't forget to like this video so it can get shown to more people. And as always, subscribe and see y'all at the top.
Ain't about me average. I just pick up the phone, keep counting and adding, keep counting and stacking. I made the money appear like this shit was some magic. Stay down, big rage, and one day you might get the key to the action. When I walk in the store, they gon' show me some.